Hello friends, welcome to US Tech Info. Today I'm going to discuss about how to log in into ChatGPT. So what is the step-by-step process that we need to follow? Okay, I'm just open my Firefox web browser. Here I'm going to enter ChatGPT. Okay, initially it will come like this. So if you are a new user, what you have to do is you have to go into the Open AI or ChatGPT. So if you just mention the keyword ChatGPT in Google, you will get complete information openai.com. So when you open this, it will show like this: OpenAI research introducing ChatGPT, and there are some the information which has been instructed here with the others. So if you want to register, if you are new to this, so what you have to do is try ChatGPT. Okay, it will ask you to log in the details here. Okay, so I already updated here. I just went through and I sign up here. So here you can go with the login account. If you are already registered with ChatGPT, you can go with your login ID or your Gmail or Outlook, whatever it is. Okay, so or if you don't have, if you want to go with the Google, click on Google. It will ask you to registered. Okay, this is mine, but I don't want to go with this. So I already have my registered email ID, so I just want to go with that. Once if you click here, it will ask your Gmail account and password. Okay, anyways, I'll just show you here. See, I already have mentioned my chat GPT. So what will happen? It will ask you, it will directly take your chat. Okay. Oops. This can happen if you refresh during authentication. Please try. See, well, these things will be happen to everyone. Don't worry. So what is it saying that my authentication is already, it's not up to the mark. So I'm just going to home back. So if you are not into this organization, if you have an organization name, you can mention your organization name. Mine is US staffing. Okay, just continue. Just give your phone number here. When you given your phone number, they will send you the authentication OTP number through your WhatsApp or your through SMS. Okay, once if you're done with this, it will ask you to wait for some time. Okay, it will ask you to wait for some time. So once if you're done with this, so once if you're done with this, automatically it will ask you. Okay, just wait for few things it required. So I don't have WhatsApp. So if I mention the number, I'm just mentioning my number with 10-digit number. It will send us a code. So once you enter the validity, it will take you minimum 24 to 48 hours of time. Okay, once if you're done with this, automatically it will say that you are in waiting list. You are in waiting list. Okay, I'll just make you. Okay, yeah, already linked, so I don't have the other number. 8328483466. Okay, so it already sent the password. Okay, I'm just mentioning 8. So for what purpose that you are using this is very important, guys. Are you I'm building a product for future, I'm exploring personal use. If you are using for your personal use, you can select this second one. I'm conducting AI research, I'm a journalist or content creator. Okay, you can mention anything here. Thank you for your interest. We are grateful for your interest in exploring our technology, and our communication team would be happy to help you. If you request your journalist or social media personality or creator a story, video, or social media content about the API, which contact press at opa.com with a short description of your project and we'll get in touch. It's not you, just go back. Okay? This is how the things. So if you are not for that, if you are using for some other purpose, you can use here. Okay? So it has been came for here for the purpose for different OPIs. See, this is the features which we can see here. Okay, billing applications, you can chat beta, text complications, embeddings, speech to text, image generation. This is also a beta. Code completion. As I mentioned you in a previous video regarding on this, I'll share you that video. This is the way which we can create our chart. See, Chat GPT is powered by GPT Turbo, OpenAI advanced language. So we need to write a code in Python. To be frank, I don't know about how we need to use this. They are already given the example here. I don't know how it will work. Okay, response format. An example API response look as follows. Even they have given the complete the code information to create chat API calls and all these things. This would be helpful to the in the real life. Okay, so this is all the FAQ questions. If you want to, you can go into the documents. You can get complete information. Okay, text completions. Even here also. See, this is the way which we can go through, and we can use wherever we want. We can use the different formats. Okay, but mostly all these things will be given in the different characters. It depends. Even as I mentioned to you, for HRs and for industrials and content writers, video editors, this ChatGPT is going to helpful in the future a lot. See, just giving the see. ChatGPT is a very nice AI that pretty good on writing replies. When it asks a question, I'm I am a very nice AI. I'm a pretty good at writing replies. When I am asked a question, I give my suggestions. See, see different ways that we are seeing. We given something and we got it something. Okay, this is how the Chat GPI will work in the current scenario. Okay, and if you are going for speech to text, as we know, because many people are going to use different softwares for speech to text. Even Google also has the speech to text. So when you are saying something else, it will be automatically recorded. That text will be in the Word document, right? With the same way, ChatGPT also will do the same thing, but it will take, or if you upload any video automatically based on that voice it will convert into the text. This is the new feature which I'm seeing here. That would be helpful to any HRs, other marketing people, other business vendors, other clients. This is awesome. They have been given some many API references for introduction, authentication, And apart from, see, so this is the way which we can import our information here, and based on that we can use uh, our documents or our products into chat gpi, or if you are going for any interviews, if you want to ask the questions to the candidates, if you give a questions to into the chat gpt, automatically it will ask to the initial screening round. In the initial screening round, this chat gpt will be helpful to every organization. Okay, so for market making requests and models, what is the models that you need to update? Okay, completions, even the code completion, as I mentioned, right? This is going to change the complete software industry. But I don't know how many people are seeing that this would be helpful to us in the future while correcting the code, or if you have any errors, uh, it will be helpful to make correction and give the input, the output to the client as soon as possible, without wasting of time. This is what I'm hearing words from the software engineers, a few. Now I'm not saying all, but few. Okay, you can go for edits, whatever the things that you need you can update it here. Okay, audio, we can convert the audios into text, videos into text, and we have many information like list files, upload files, deleted files, retrieve files. So we can see a lot of changes in our chat api. Okay, list fine tunes events. Obviously, I mean, many people will see the fine tunes IDs and everything information regarding the code. What is the code? To by checking this through ChatGPT, that would be helpful to any many top organizations, which they can do the successful. What we say, they can success in their business, I can say. Okay, we have some certain engines that have been already updated. So apart from that, they have been giving some kind of packages like free and paid packages. Okay, free and paid. So if you want to go for what is mean by overall chat gpt or open ai, so you can go through these key concepts, and you can design what is mean by models, what is guidance. This is the guides to all. Okay, this all information has been given here. What are the next step by step processes if you want to go for upgrade policies? Keep our usage policies in mind that you start building your applications. So explore example libraries. So see, all these are the libraries. So all this information is giving by the chat gpi. Okay, and again, usage policy, how they are going to use this policy and all these things. They have given their chat gpt usage policy. So before going to join here, just go through all the policies what has been mentioned here, so that would be giving you a best choice. So if you go with that, that would be helpful to deactivate your account in the future. Okay, so if you don't violate the rules, or we are in safe. If by luckily or unluckily, or if you given your words, I mean they are already mentioned that there are few certain words that should not be included here. So you need to check, and all these things. Once if you're done with this, you can immediately start off doing your work. Okay, so quick start. uh, how you can start the servers or the completion or the prompts, how you need to do. So they have given some suggestions, and the names, everything has been given here. So if you want to update your whatsapp chat gpt, that would be helpful to you in the future for your business and everything. Okay, So this is all about the basic of chat gpt, how it's look likes, and what are the examples have been given. Explore what possible with some example applications, and they have given some answers, clarification, code conversions, translation, transformations. Okay, question and answers. If you want to ask a questions, they have given some open in playground. If you ask me a question that is rooted in truth, I will give you the answer. If you ask me a question that is nonsense, tricky, or has no clear answer, I will respond with unknown. Okay, this is all the ways which we can use. This is all the way which we can use. Grammar correction has been given. I mean, this is also one best example. I mean, we are going for Grammarly and different softwares to check Quillbot and all kind of stuff, right? So this can help us to learn and to do. See here, they have been given some clarifications. A movie to emojis, SQL Translate, natural language to Stripe API, Python to non-natural language. See, I'm just opening what it's saying. Some open in playground. Okay, it's something. I mean, they have been giving some information. Based on this, we are checking and we are moving into new VS code. Okay, so as per my knowledge, I just given you the basic information of ChatGPT. If you have any queries, you can. There is help center, or if you want to join, visit other meet ambassadors or the communities. We have communities, and at the same time, we have support. So if you click on support, they'll ask you the questions. If you are interested, you can talk to them. If you have any doubts or clarifications you need, you can ask them directly. They will help you out. So visit communities. There are few communities, open communities are available. Okay. So based on these communities, many people are joined here. Introduce yourself, the general introducing ChatGPT and Whisper APIs. See, and there are certain I mean announcement are there, communities are there. If you want, you can join there. You can discuss with what is ChatGPT, different types of versions, and everything has been given to the ChatGPT. See, here is the community. If you once log in, you can directly go to the join, or even we have joined the Discord. Open AI Discord. Hey, I didn't see this. I didn't see this. You know, Chat GPT. LSTGKN. I'm submitting. Wow. We can now access Open API. Even Discord we have in. Oh, it's awesome, man. It's really awesome. So if you want to access this chat GPI and rules and everything, that it will help you a lot, really. So this is the way which we can see, okay, and we can go on with the communities. If you want to join, read the docs, give the feedbacks with them. So if you have any helps, even help, we have helping centers here to help you out. What kind of discussions that you need to chat GPT. There are different types of questions have been raising here. See, there are a lot of people already joined and they are starting giving the replies and information here regarding on chat GPT. So my request to you friends, as soon as possible, download big new version, start your sign up your chat GPT, start off working on that, learn new things that would be helpful to you in your work or in your anywhere. So this is all about Open AI Chat GPT. This is your Kumar. If you like my video, like and comment and subscribe. Thank you. Have a good day.